Good morning, class. Today, we are going to explore the concept of countable nouns. Countable nouns are an important part of grammar as they represent objects or entities that can be counted. To make our learning experience more engaging, we'll be using conversations as examples. Let's dive in. Can anyone remind me what a noun is?
A noun is a word that represents a person, place, thing, or idea.
Excellent. You're absolutely right. Today, we will be focusing on countable nouns, which are objects or entities that can be counted as separate units. Let's explore some animated conversations to better understand countable nouns. Here we have Emma and Alex talking about their favorite books. Listen carefully to their conversation.
I have read 3 books this month.
That's great. I've already finished 2 novels.
Based on their conversation, can anyone identify the countable nouns they mentioned?
Books, 3 and 2.
Perfect. Books, 3 and 2 are all countable nouns. They represent objects or entities that can be counted as separate units. Now, let's listen to Lily and Ben discussing their pets.
I have 2 cats and a dog.
That's cool. I also have a cat and a dog.
What countable nouns did Lily and Ben mention when talking about their pets?
Cats, dog, 2, and a.
Well done. Cats, dog, 2, and a are countable nouns. They represent individual pets and quantities that can be counted. Let's have a question-answer session to reinforce our understanding of countable nouns. Raise your hand if you know the answer. Question 1. Can you think of an example of a countable noun representing a fruit?
Apples.
Excellent. Apples is a countable noun representing a type of fruit that can be counted. Question 2. Give me an example of a countable noun representing a piece of clothing.
Shirts.
Great job. Shirts is a countable noun representing individual pieces of clothing. Question 3. Can you think of a countable noun representing a type of vehicle?
Cars.
Perfect. Cars is a countable noun representing different individual vehicles. Countable nouns are objects or entities that can be counted as separate units. They represent individual items that we can quantify. Countable nouns play an important role in expressing quantities and identifying specific objects or entities. That brings us to the end of our lesson on countable nouns. I hope you enjoyed our animated conversations and found them helpful in understanding this particular type of noun. Remember, learning grammar can be fun when we explore new concepts together.